Day six. Let's write the number 6. Good morning. It's Monday. It is the start of our second week of full distance learning. It's only been 1 week. I don't know about you, but it's been a long week to me. But today we are learning the number 6. And to write the number 6, we start at the top. We curl around to the middle. Start at the top, curl to the middle. Number 6. On the lines, it's start at the top, curl to the middle. Number 6. Let's go to the maths garden. Here we are in our maths garden, and today's number was 6. There we are. The number 6. Where? There! Okay, number 6, it was 1 more than 5 and 1 less than 7. And that number is 6. Super. So, let's count on. Are you ready? 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. If the number 6 was here on the number line, what was 1 less than 6 again? 1 less than 6? 6. 5. And then what's 1 less than 5? 5. 4. 3. 2. Now we're back to the end of that number line. So then we have 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Count with me. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Now, when we get to shapes of 6, do you know, if you want them to join together in squares, there aren't that many more than there are of shapes of 5. But if you can break them up, or if you can spread them out in longer lines, then you can get lots more. So I couldn't find many shapes of 6 that would fit inside these squares. But if I could have stretched my number out into long chains, I would have found a lot more shapes. Now, let's go through some adding facts for 6. Are you ready? 3 and 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 3 and 3 is the same as 6. Do you know there's another way of saying that? If you're adding a number to itself, instead of saying 3 and 3, you can say double 3 is the same as 6. 2 and 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 2 and 4 is the same as 6. 5 and 1. Well, we know 5. What's 1 more than 5? 6. 5 and 1 is the same as 6. Wonderful. 4 and 2. Hang about. We did 2 and 4 before, didn't we? If 2 and 4 is the same as 6, 4 and 2 is the same as 6. 1 and 5. Oh, we already had 5 and 1. 1 and 5 is the same as 6. 2 and 2 and 2. Ooh, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 2 and 2 and 2 is the same as 6. Wonderful. Now, one thing that I always think of when I think about the number 6 is a game called Dominoes. And Dominoes is a brilliant game. If your mummy and daddy have got a set of dominoes somewhere at home, you should have a go at playing it today. But today's challenge, I've put up this picture on our teams, and it is some patterns made out of dominoes. So each line of dominoes has a pattern to it, and you need to work out what the grade in dominoes should look like. What would come next in the patterns? I'm not going to tell you any of these. I want you and your grown-ups to look at them together, talk about them. You've got to be able to explain what the next domino in the pattern would be and why it would be that domino. And if you have any other questions or ideas for exploring this, I'd love to hear about them.